You know what's funny about microphones? Most people don't realize how much audio actually matters until they watch a video that sounds like this. You can have the best camera, but if the audio sucks, you're cooked. This is the Maono PD200W, a wireless dynamic mic that also works over USB and XLR. And today I'm breaking down how it actually performs, how I'd really use it as a creator, and whether it's worth upgrading to, or if your current mic is already good enough. Huge thanks to Maono for sending this out, and as always, this review is my 100% honest opinion. Plus, links are in the description. I've been using budget and mid-range creator mics for a long time now, including my usual mic, the Fine K688. Later in this video, I'll be comparing both, so you can decide which one actually makes sense for you. Unboxing and first impressions. When I first unboxed the PD200W, the build quality stood out immediately. It's heavier than I expected, but not in a bad way. Just that solid, premium kind of weight that tells you it's built well. Inside the box, you get the mic, the wireless receiver, the cables, and whatever mount or adapter your version comes with. The design is super clean, metal body, smooth finish, and nothing that feels cheap or flimsy. I also didn't even realize this mic had RGB at first, but it's subtle, not overly gamer, and actually looks nice in a setup. Right away, it exceeded my expectations, and I couldn't wait to start using it. What this mic actually is. The best way I can describe the PD200W is this. It's a mic you don't really grow out of. If you're just starting, you can plug it in over USB and record instantly. If you want to move around, you can go fully wireless. And if you upgrade later, you can switch to XLR with an audio interface. Most mics force you to choose one lane, but this one kinda lets you change lanes whenever you want. Design, build, and controls. The mic body is metal, the grill feels durable, and the whole thing just feels like it will last a long time. On the mic itself, you get a gain knob, a headphone volume knob, and a mute button. All easy to reach and smooth to use. It also has zero latency monitoring, so when you're wearing headphones, you hear yourself instantly. If I had to nitpick anything, I wish it came in more than just black, because my setup is white, and I would prefer to have it match. The RGB actually looks good on this mic, and has more of a professional feel than a gamer vibe, which I really appreciate. And the pop filter that comes with it works well, but when I tried to put on my extra pop filter from my old mic, it didn't fit. Still, overall build quality is easily one of my favorite parts about this mic. Connectivity. This is where the PD200W really separates itself. First, wireless mode. You plug in the receiver, turn on the mic, and you can literally walk around your room while keeping your mic full quality. For B-roll, setup videos, mobile shots, or room tours, this is insanely useful. Second, USB-C. This is probably what I'll use the most. Simple, plug and play, perfect for desk videos and streams. I've been using this type of connection for months, and I haven't had a single issue. And third, XLR. If you have an audio interface or plan to upgrade later, the mic already supports it. You're not locked into one setup forever, and that flexibility is honestly one of the biggest selling points of this mic. Real use cases. At a desk, this works like a clean, simple creator mic. For walking shots or setup B-roll, wireless mode is a game changer. And if you stream or record with friends IRL, you can even pair two PD200Ws to one receiver, which cuts down on the cable mess a ton. So this isn't just cool tech, it's actually useful. Sound tests. Now for the most important part. I tested this mic the same way I test everything. Raw audio straight out of the box, handling noise, background noise, Plosives and Sibilance, off-axis performance, and wireless distance. And then I switched back and forth between this and my usual mic, the Fine K688, so you can compare the two. You're about to hear everything for yourself, so judge it with your own ears. This is a raw audio test with no EQ or filters. I'm speaking at my normal volume, about 3 inches from the mic, and this is what my voice sounds like on the Fine K688. This is a raw audio test in the PD200W. I'm not using any EQ or filters, and I'm speaking at my normal volume, about 3 inches from the mic. And this is what it sounds like straight out of the box, no adjustments or settings. Alright, this is the handling noise test. I'm gonna lightly tap my desk and adjust the boom arm to see how much the K688 will pick up. So now as a handling noise test, I'm going to move the PD200W around with the boom arm and tap everything to see what it picks up. This is the background noise test. Right now I have my fan running right up there, so I'm going to stop for a few seconds so you can hear the noise that it picks up. Now for the background noise test, I have the same fan on right up there. So let's see how much this picks up of the fan. This is the Plosives and Sibilance test on the K688. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Alright, now time for the Plosives and Sibilance test. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. This is the off-axis test on the K688. Now I'm speaking from the side of the mic. And the other side. And now I'm going to speak from behind the mic. Now for the off-axis test. Right now I'm speaking from the side. And now I'm speaking from the other side. And now I am behind the microphone. Now this is going to be the wireless use test. I'm starting at my desk right now. My PC is all the way over here. And now I'm going to move all the way back. Alright, so now all the way back here. My PC is literally where you can see the boom arm right now. Pretty far away. So this is what it sounds like wireless. Hopefully it sounds good. You guys are going to see right now. This is a direct comparison test using the same settings, filters, and distance from the mic. And this is the K688. This is a direct comparison using the same settings and same distance from the mic. One thing that surprised me was how clear it sounded without any adjustments. The day I set it up, I played Fortnite with a friend and he immediately pointed out how my mic sounded more crisp than usual. I will say Plosives can be quite strong depending on how close you are to the mic, but you can fix that with better placement. PD200W versus K688. Which one makes sense? The K688 is an amazing mic for the price I've used for months. If you stay at your desk and just want a solid USB mic, there's no urgent reason to switch to the Maono. But the PD200W is made for creators who move around, record on multiple devices, or want flexibility long term. If you need wireless, PD200W wins easily. If you don't, the K688 is still a great choice. And this question isn't about which mic is better, it's about which one makes more sense for you. So, should you buy it? If you're a new creator and want a mic that can grow with you, this is a powerful option. If you stream, create setup videos, record B-roll, or travel, the wireless mode alone makes this worth considering. If you already have a good mic and never leave your desk, you probably don't need this. But if flexibility matters to you, the PD200W makes a lot of sense. Remember, audio is half the video, and having a mic that actually fits how you create makes everything easier. If you want to check out the PD200W, the link is in the description. Click the video on screen because I know you'll like it. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one.